guys, join me today as I unbox this Dolly by Leeyoung.
Comes with one foldable hand truck and two bungee straps to help secure your packages you are hauling. It's also equipped with rotatable handles. So when the dolly is fully loaded with items, you can choose the rotatable handles to keep your hands from getting pinched or smashed. You could also, with just a push of the button, adjust the height to your preference. This product came in just in time for me to put away all my Christmas decor back out to the shop. What I love about this is that I don't have to rely on my husband anymore. I can do it myself. This dolly cart has been upgraded with an aluminum wheel frame, which is foldable. Its load capacity is 375 pounds. I was amazed at how I could move this so effortlessly, not only on the concrete, but also on the ground in the rocks. As shown here, I had no trouble at all getting from one place to the other. Now I can easily transfer our farm feed from our car to our shed in one trip without hurting my back. One of my absolute favorite things about this is that it's foldable, which means it's easy to store. Look how easy and simple that was. It's easy to get out and it's easy to store away with simple one-click steps. And I love that it takes up no space when you're not using it.